I have a few spare days in between campers right now. I wanted to share something with you that maybe you don't really ever get to see the inside of, besides this box. As you know, at Rob the Rebuilder, they send us products and they like us to use them. They like us to demonstrate them, and we get it for free. It's kind of a good deal. We turn down a lot because they don't really have anything to do with camping, or I don't find them interesting, or I don't even want to tell you guys this is a good one. So we have to let those go. But this one, I think, by KOHREE, is something that you're all going to enjoy. At least you're going to enjoy the video. Trust me on that one. Okay, let's unbox this. You can see the name right there, but the link will be in the description. But they have asked me to do a lot of demonstration, which could be kind of weird on this guy. So let's pop this out. Yeah, you can start to see what it is upside down. All right, what's happening? Get away from there. Okay. So, Porta-Potty. Now, a couple of things. Don't go away because I have some demonstrating to do. Have you ever seen anybody on a camper rebuilding channel demonstrate a porta-potty? I'm going to do it. Stick around. But I have to show you a couple of things first. Water goes in here. Flushing is going to be part of the demonstration because they said so. Now, this may be from a country that has different standards and morals than ours, but I have to do it because, hey, they think I'm an influencer. Oh, we got to pump it up. We'll work on that. Now, I noticed something. It's a slow close. Look at that. I didn't know that was necessary, but I'm starting to feel as though that might be pretty cool. Now, toilet paper holder. You gotta have toilet paper. Now remember, I'm getting ready to demonstrate. I'm working up to the demonstration. I'm getting close. Get ready. All right. Now, this does detach. I really should have. Oh, here it is. That's the flush, I think. Let's look. Huh. Look in here. Sure is. Look. Flush. You're going to see a non-Rob demonstration right now because the Rob demonstration is coming up. Let's see. Down here looks like, okay, here's our little pull strap because we're going to detach the top from the bottom right here. Look at that. Then you just take this and it keeps the wheels on it. Can you see those wheels? And you just pull it where you're going to dump it. I'm going to show you where I'm going to dump it here in just a moment. Look at that. All right. This is great. This is great. All right. I know that you have been waiting this long, so get ready because I am going to demonstrate. Here we go. 1970 Highlander. You can't tell, but it is. This is where the porta-potty would go in the potty closet. I'm not quite ready to demonstrate, but what I am demonstrating is this is a comfortable seat height. And it fits easily where the porta-potty would go. Here's my toilet paper dispenser right there. I'm almost ready to demonstrate. But I wanted you to see, this is what it would look like in a camper if the camper walls were on. And guess what? A camper may not be the only RV that you have. This boat is a recreational vehicle. You can put it on your boat. See what the fish think about it. Now let's say I had to get outside and work on my flower garden here, pull up some weeds, get those out of here. Again, super comfortable height. Toilet paper holder. And I'm getting very close to my demonstration. I got to get my mind right. I am almost there. But comfortable. I'm reaching around. I'm doing what I need to do on the potty. And now we are on to our next location. I just take my little handle. How easy is that? Have you ever heard the term drop the kid off at the pool? Hey, I did drop my kid off at the Super Bowl at the pool, but this is not why we're here. That's ridiculous. Let me show you the true facts here. All right, Curly demanded that he be in the video, but look here. All we've got to do is use our little pump. Can you see that? Yes, you can. Look at how much that's going in. That was 5 pumps, 6 pumps, 7 pumps, 8 pumps. Hey, that's pretty good. But that's not what we're here for. How about this? You see how that popped up there? That's going to break loose Curly. If Curly's in there, it's going to break him loose and put him down there. So just so we can try, just look at this. Count the seconds. That's probably about 3, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007. Look at that. All right, one more demonstration there. Now watch this. Here I am just taking a leisurely stroll out here with my remnants of our Curly situation. Now all I've got to do is take this, swivel it out, uncap it. Now you should really do this in the proper place, and you know where that proper place is. It's not in front of world headquarters, okay? Okay? Do it properly, but this is for demonstration purposes only. Watch this. That's all it takes to empty it out. As easy as that. Link in the description. This is a good one, boys.